Okay, class, I'm on. I gotta get fair to your house. Hey, come on, fire alarm, get in line, come on, fire alarm. Come on, school. You're gonna get catch the bus. Come on, you're getting line, you're smoking, you're fire alarm. Come on, come on. This is like actually yesterday. Hey, Finn, how's school? It's good. Good night. Should we go to bed? So you can get a sponsor. I think I got coffee. Okay, and then it's time to take a look at watch the YouTube channel. I can swear now. Who is on the phone and guess what the? And then I'm desperate. Okay. You know what, Spade? I'm gonna get the fire alarm today. I'm gonna get smoking. I'm gonna call it because I'm gonna do this. Honey, I scouted an email this. You do the fire alarm today? Yeah. Yes, you did. Explain this. Did you do fire alarm? I get gas stations, there's fire truck in them. As we could come in here there. You got the fucking kidding me. It's told the last time that he's going to trouble. You gotta go, it's 10:39 p.m. You gotta go try some. I gotta go. Oh, gotta go. Oh, shoot. Hey, look at my Mr. Ali. Look at the sun, Stu. He's got a fire truck smoking alarm. I gotta go. Thank you. Please call 911. He's got this suspended. He's got bed on. I'm calling right now. I'm gonna see what happens. Hello, this is 911. What's your emergency? Hello, this is Joseph. Smoking fire like coming like and smoking alarm. Can you please press this me? Okay, I'm on my way to get home. Okay, that's fine. Let's go. Okay, bye. Okay, I'm gonna stay. Bye. What happened? I said the fire truck. Come back. Can I come in? No. Just get it. Come on. Okay. Okay, 51 go subscribe. Have a good day. Bye.